In this video, I'm going to show you how to put or deposit money into your Wise account. The process is really simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, you'll see your balances, and just below that, there's a button that says Add Money. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. For example, you could type in $20, but of course, you can choose any amount that works for you. Once you've entered the amount, tap Continue. Wise will now ask you to choose a payment method. Tap Add, and you'll see several different options depending on your location and currency. These could include debit card, credit card, bank transfer, manual bank transfer, Trustly, Apple Pay, or other regional methods. Let's walk through an example. If you choose Apple Pay, Wise will display the amount you're adding along with any small fee. Double check the details, then tap Continue. You'll be asked to confirm the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once that goes through, the money will appear in your Wise account balance within a few seconds. If you don't want to use Apple Pay, you can also deposit with a debit card. On the Add Money screen, select Debit Card, then tap Continue. If you already have a card saved, just tap on it and confirm the payment. If not, you can add a new one by entering your card number, expiration date, and CVC code. Once you confirm the payment, the money will be added to your Wise account. You can also use a manual bank transfer. In this case, Wise will give you the bank details and a reference code. You simply go into your online banking app, send the money to the details provided, and make sure you include the reference code so Wise can match it to your account. This method may take a little longer, but is just as reliable. Once the funds are in your Wise account, you can use them for sending money abroad, converting currencies at low fees, or spending directly with your Wise debit card. If you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.